My family. Hi, welcome to my home. My name is Cristina Lozano Aldana. I am 24 years old. I am from Leria, Tolima City. Of country I live with my parents. I am studying technology and radiology and diagnostic imaging at UNAD. Also, my favorite hobbies are reading, watching television, listening to music, dancing, and plastic art. My favorite sport is basketball. My favorite food is spaghetti. My favorite show is the Superhuman channel. This is my beautiful family. My father is Guillermo Lozano. He is 62 years old. He is an economist. He is from Leria, Tolima. My father is very kind, happy, affectionate, collaborative. He is tall. His eyes are brown. His skin color is white. He has short black hair. My mom is Maria Dana. She is 57 years old. She is from Leria, Tolima. She is a financial administrator. My mom is very kind, happy, affectionate, collaborative. She is tall. Her eyes are brown. Her skin color is white, and she has short black hair. My brother is Germán Lozano. He is 60 years old. He is an electronic engineer. He is from Leria, Tolima, but now he is living in Bogota or working. My brother is very kind, happy, affectionate, collaborative. He is tall. Her eyes are green. His skin color is white. He has blonde short hair. Thank you.